This is a exceptional case.
जी
पहले ये बताइए, an enlisted party,
जी
because I went through the order of the Election Commission, which was passed prior to the elections,
जी
because one of the councils has placed it on record now,
जी जी
Mr. Salman Akram Raja.
जी जी
They have confused the entire matter on the basis of that the symbol was taken away.
जी
So since the symbol was taken away, therefore it is no more a political party.
जी
But yet they recognize it as an enlisted political party.
Yes.
Now, as an enlisted political party, how does a party secure or win an election? Because the symbol, to my mind, is not relevant.
yes
So a enlisted political party not necessarily has to have a common symbol to secure a general seat.
yes
So that is what needs to be determined.
Yes.
Neither the expression secure nor the expression won will become redundant. Because the question is that even the Election Commission recognizes both the parties as enlisted political parties.
Yes.
Now, without a symbol, common symbol, how do they secure or win an election? That's a question.
yes
Mr. President,
Mr. Faisal, if I can just continue with the observations of my other distinguished colleagues, just as Athar Manila, that PTI continued to exist after the decision, continues to exist today, continued to exist as a political party, then why did these independents not join PTI?
जी
Simple.
ठीक
Didn't you commit suicide yourself?
no
You, of course, are representing, now you have a conflict of interest. You think you don't have a conflict of interest, you have a great conflict of interest. Make up your mind who you represent before us.
sir
No, एक second, ठहर जाइए ना. So you could have simply said, we want to join PTI. End of story.
I couldn't have, and I'll explain why. मैं पहले इस सवाल का, क्योंकि this is at this stage of the argument, let me address these three
Or you
similar
can finish
questions.
reading it and then address as you
जी
please.
जी ठीक
मिस्टर
Let
फैसल
me-
की ये भी सुन लीजिए जरा इधर प्लीज
जी, जी।
ये रूल 92 देखिए. रूल 92 का सब रूल 2 जो है, जो इलेक्शन कमीशन ने रूल फ्रेम किए हैं, इससे पता चलता है कि सिक्योर और वॉन का लफ्ज इंटरचेंजेबली यूज हो रहा
जी
है.
जी जी
काइंडली रीड्स सब रूल 2.
जी जी Rule 92
जी सब रूल 2.
Sub Rule 2. The members to fill seats reserved for women in the National Assembly allocated to a province shall be elected through proportional representational system of political parties. List of candidates submitted to the commission on the basis of total number of general seats 1.
1 टोटल नंबर जनरल सीट 1. यहाँ
जी।
सिक्योर का लफ्ज नहीं है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में सिक्योर है.
जी।
It means that the election commission is construing the word, is using the word interchangeably.
Yes. Not only that, if your lordships look at the constitution itself, it uses the word secure in the main provision and uses the one in the proviso.
You see, the thing is that the question whether they are independent candidates has to be, I mean, who's calling them independent candidates? Election Commission.
Yes.
Not a binding finding.
Yes.
I mean, after all, these are people, as per the parent statute, who filed nomination forms saying they are candidates of the PTI.
Yes.
So they remain throughout candidates of PTI irrespective of the election symbol.
Yes.
So if they are already members of the PTI, post-election, the returned candidates, I mean, speaking for myself, no question arises of them subsequently joining PTI. They are always members of PTI for purposes of... Now, in terms of the question of the independence, it seems to me, abhi jisna aapne padha hai, कि the main rule is laid down in paragraph D, main part. Proportional representation.
Yes.
This is a balance that cannot be tipped.
Yes.
Negative aspect, positive aspect. Negative aspect, it can't be tipped in favor of a political party by giving it more than proportional representation.
Yes.
Positive aspect, each political party must be given the number of reserved seats proportional to what it has won. How do you determine that? Well, look at the Form A of the parent statute. But you see, I think proviso is the exception. But आप proviso के आपने अभी पढ़ा हमारे सामने, I think you are perhaps, speaking for myself, not paying enough attention to the opening words of the proviso. उसको पढ़ें जरा.
हाँ, बिल्कुल सही. Provided that for the purpose
For
of
the
this
purposes of this paragraph. You see, the thing is that someone who is truly an independent, who fills in a form saying, I don't belong to any political party, in the life of the National Assembly, at any time he can join a political party. At any time. Right? What the proviso is saying is, for the purposes of this paragraph, paragraph D,
Yes.
that if there are independents in the House, right, within those 3 days, if they join a particular political party, then the proportionality will be tipped.
Yes.
This is the only permissible tipping.
Yes.
But if 6 months later, 1 year later, enough independents, suppose, join that political party to have tipped the balance, that is not going to count. The purpose of the proviso is to lock it in.
Yes.